Hey guys, this is Alex from Acacia Whole Health. I am one of the technicians here in the office, and today I'm going to show you how to repair one of your cords for the GB4000. So this is a common problem that some people run into with their machines, is that over time the connectors for the cords can become detached, and so I'm going to show you how to put those back onto the cord so you can save yourself some time and some money. So here you see we have a broken GB4000 cord, and you can see the connector piece just came off right here. Over time the wiring just starts to wear through and they can come right off. So we are going to reattach that. So we are going to take our wire cutters, and today I am using a 2-point gauge, or the number 12. It is just wide enough to take off the insulation without cutting the wire. So you are going to want to strip about ½ inch off of the wire and expose the underneath, and then you're going to want to twist the wire so it's easier to thread through the connector. Next, you're going to want to take the casing and thread that through first so that you can screw that onto the connector bit. Next, I am going to take my wire and I am going to just thread it through the bottom there and wrap it around. And then I'm going to take the casing and just screw that on over it. Once that is good and tight, your GB4000 cord is ready for use. If you have any other questions about your GB4000, whether that is maintenance or what auto channels you would like to run, you can call the office and one of our technicians would be happy to answer your questions. Our number is 303-504-0772, or you can visit our website. The link is going to be shown down below. Thank you and have a great day.